Hello everyone, welcome to my channel GMD Learning Hub. Today our topic is source of constitution. क्या आपको भी कंफ्यूजन रहती है कि कौन सा फीचर इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का कौन से कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन से लिया है? इट मीन्स रूल ऑफ लॉ हमने कहाँ से लिया, डीपीएसपी कहाँ से लिए हैं, और ये फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज कहाँ से लिए हैं, फंडामेंटल राइट कहाँ से लिए हैं. इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट, राइट? नो वरीज, दिस वीडियो इज ओनली फॉर यू. टुडे वी विल लर्न दिस all the source of constitution with the help of very easy mnemonics that can help you to learn these sources for forever. Okay, let's start the video. Starting with the first one, the features that we have taken from the British Constitution. We will learn the same with the help of a mnemonic that is a Parle G biscuit. थोड़ा फनी है ना? हाँ, पार्ले जी बिस्किट, सिर्फ एक लाइन याद करनी है, दैट इज अ पार्ले जी बिस्किट. तो आपको सारे फीचर्स याद हो जाएंगे जो हमने ब्रिटिश कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन से लिए हैं. स्टार्टिंग विद द PA, विच मीन्स पार्लियामेंट्री गवर्नमेंट. R means rule of law. LE means legislative procedure. Moving further, BI means bicameralism, and at last SC means single citizenship. It means with help of this easy mnemonic that is a Parle-G biscuit, you are able to learn all the features that we have taken from the British Constitution. Easy है ना? Okay, आगे. Okay, so the next is the features that we have taken from the Irish Constitution. मैंने आपको बताया था कुछ ज़्यादा याद नहीं करेंगे. What we will learn a simple mnemonic with the help of which we will learn the features, right? So for this, the mnemonic is LEDP is number one. Yes, L is very beautiful. That's why we can say that LEDP is number one. Okay, starting with the ELE, which means election of president. Then DP means DPSP, and the NO means nomination member of Rajya Sabha. Now the next, the features जो कि बहुत important है, the features that we have taken from the Canadian Constitution. Let's see. You will learn it with a mnemonic that is, can I know Fitz address Grover? Okay, repeat it. Can I know Fitz address Grover? Okay, how this can help you? Can I know? So can से आपको पता लग जाएगा that it is a features that we have taken from the Canada only. And then Feds से आप याद कर लोगे federal government, that is a quasi federal nature of our constitution. And then address अगर आप ध्यान से देखते हो, it is ADDRESS, and the starting word of address, that is add, can help us to learn the advisory jurisdiction. And the last one, that is res, RESS, it can help us to learn the residuary power of the center. Okay, and then it was like ना, can I know the Feds address Grover? तो ग्रोवर वर्ड है ना, यहाँ से हम लर्न करेंगे गवर्नर, दैट इज द पावर ऑफ द अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ द गवर्नर इज टेकन फ्रॉम द कैनेडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ओनली. देन says the features that we have taken from the former USSR. How you will learn it? With the help of a mnemonic that is FT for 5 year. Okay, FD करवा ली 5 साल के लिए for the USSR. It is a simple, right? So FD, that is a fundamental duty, and 5 year for from this we will learn the 5 year planning. FD fundamental right, and 5 year, that is 5 year planning. Simple. The next is the features that we have taken from the Australian Constitution. The same can be learned with the help of a mnemonic that is CPCI are the languages of Java. भूलने के चांसेस हैं, तो आप ऐसे याद कर लो कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया जाना है तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया के लिए हमें कुछ लैंग्वेजेस सीख के जानी है, और वो लैंग्वेजेस कौन सी है? CPCI और जावा की लैंग्वेजेस है. सो CPCI आर द लैंग्वेजेस ऑफ जावा. ओके, सो CP, that is C, concurrent list. P, provisions of the constitution. C, then again commerce. I, intercourse. Languages of the preamble. And from the word Java, so you can pick the J word from there to learn the joint setting. Okay, so from this you are able to learn the features that we have taken from the Australian constitution. Okay, होप यू लाइक दिस वीडियो. अगर आप ऐसे इंटरेस्टिंग वे से जोग्राफी, हिस्ट्री, पॉलिटी, सारे सब्जेक्ट कवर करना चाहते हो, डोंट फॉरगेट टू फॉलो द JMD लर्निंग हब. कीप फॉलोइंग, कीप स्पॉटिंग. थैंक यू.